Good morning, Roadies. Good morning, top of the morning. It's me, your boy, Wing Style. Well, this morning we got a condenser motor acting up. We're gonna replace it. The bearing, they're bad. They wanna get a new one. So that's what we're doing this morning. Yeah. All right, Roddy. Stay tuned. Coming up. Wing Style.
See how we got him. Yeah, this is offended over here. Look at this thing. This thing going bad.
Yeah, we got it. Come on, we got it.
You can put your guy down here, right? I'm gonna use the wiggle. That's the guy who used to do that. That's the guy who used to do that. Yeah, I fucked up. This guy go by. The guy used to do this account. It just went by. Sorry, bro. It's my account now. Sorry, bro. It's my account now. You lost it. It's your loss, buddy. Sorry. Sorry, buddy. You lost that account. Wiggle. I'm using the wiggle. I unwrapped the TSV ball. Do some insulation and then I'll be out of here. Here. So that wiggle doesn't come out. Let me put a seat tie over here at least. Just to keep this wire together a little bit over here. Wiggle. Hope I don't fall off this ladder over here. Wiggle my wiggle. Before I flip that breaker on, man, I gotta make sure I spin around that blade. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. Yeah, that's the last thing I wanted. Matter of fact, before I put this wire together, I should check that. Make sure that blade doesn't hit that. Dang, I'm being big shit, dude. Wiggle. My wiggle. Wiggle, my wiggle. Okay, so that's it. That's as good as it's gonna get, dude. You know, that's as good as it's gonna get. You know, that's as good as it's gonna get, dude. That's as good as it's gonna get, my friend. You know? This is what it's gonna get. All right. All right, dude. So let me spin this wheel, this fan around. Make sure that it doesn't hit anything before I turn the brake on. So this thing doesn't hit. You're gonna be okay. Did I put the blade the right way? Yeah. It's not hitting anything. All right, let's fire this baby up. I think the phone is gonna. You guys gonna be witness. I'm gonna pop that brake and see what happens. Let me know if you see any spark.